Want to use Microsoft To Do just like a desktop app? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to install it directly from Google Chrome in just a few steps. First, open Google Chrome and search for Microsoft To Do. Click on the official link to open it. Now, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. Here, you'll see two options: Create Shortcut or Install as an app. Click on Install. A pop-up will appear, just hit Install again to confirm. Once the installation is complete, close all browser windows. Finally, go to your desktop, double-click the new Microsoft To Do app, and you're all set. And that's it, Microsoft To Do is now installed as a desktop app on your computer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.